Hello, third graders, and welcome to your geography unit. We are learning all about the West, the western region of the United States, that is. So right now we are going to learn all about California. And if you see, this is the United States right in front of me, and California is all the way to the west. It actually borders the Pacific Ocean, which this is the Pacific Ocean. So here's California. And we're going to learn all about it on PebbleGo next. So California, like I said, is at the very edge of the United States. The northern border is Oregon, and the southern border is actually Mexico. And to the west, or no, sorry, east, you have Nevada and Arizona. So let's take a look about the geography. There are tons of national parks and tons of beautiful landmarks in California. There are a lot of mountain ranges, such as the Cascade Mountain Ranges and also the Sierra Nevada. Lake Tahoe is a beautiful lake on the northern part of California, and there's also the Mojave Desert, which is in the south. So different climate if you're in different parts of California. You can see here's the Cascade Range, your Sierra Nevada mountains. So yeah, Mojave Desert's down here, Lake Tahoe's right up here. Tons of sites. The average summer temperature for California is about 73 degrees. And for the winter, it's about 46, so much warmer than Alaska. If we take a look at their major landmarks, you can see Disneyland is a main part. It's located in Anaheim. It's wonderful. SeaWorld is a great place for kids to go. A few of their national parks. Sequoia National Park is absolutely gorgeous. It's in the Sierra Nevada. The sequoia trees are enormous. Very cool. And there's also the General Sherman, which is the largest tree in volume of wood. It is very, very big. This is Alcatraz Island, which is located in San Francisco. It was a prison, and yeah, very cool place to go visit. Yosemite National Park. Very impressive national park. It tons of beautiful rocks, trees, hiking trails, awesome. There's the Grammy Museum in LA. Very, very cool. This is shows the history of the Grammy Awards, all the famous stars. So there really is something for everyone in California. Again, the beautiful mountain ranges that you see, the forests, the landmarks, it really makes the West what it is. It has this vibe that is just truly beautiful with the natural landmarks and geography. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a little bit about California. If you would like to learn more, you can go on PebbleGo next, and where you can learn more about the history, what people do for work there, famous people who live here, or any sort of quick facts. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.